Hey everyone, look, it just came, and today, my new toy. Of course, I have a DJI one, but this is the new Minolta one. Well, it's probably not new, but it's the Minolta one. I know it's not the DJI one, and it's probably not going to compare, but I love the DJI Pocket. I have one, and that's my favorite camera to use, and so I bought this one just to have as a backup. If one of my friends is with me and they don't have a camera or something happens to my other one, I have this one. So I bought it because it was really inexpensive. It was less than $100, so that was really cool. So I'm gonna give it a try and see how it is. So you're here for the unboxing. Here we go. We're opening her up. Ooh, here we go. Comes in a little case. Nice. That's like Casey Neistat, huh? Anyway, here we go. We got our first one here. Of course, the directions. We don't really care about the directions. Sorry about the background. In the back, the green screen is up. Doing some work here in the studio to make it look a little better for everyone, and so sorry about the mess. Anyway, I will be posting more stuff shortly on the channel. I know I'm supposed to be doing a cruise, and I was gonna go on the Venezia, but my brother didn't get his passport in time, so it just fell apart. We were booked, and it got canceled because he didn't have his passport. And I didn't want to go alone on such a long cruise. I've done a long cruise to Hawaii, and it's just, a 7-day is okay by yourself, but anything above a 7-day is just too long by yourself. 4 days are great by yourself because it's a recharge, and you just, just get away and relax, and it's just really nice to go do on your own. So 4 days are fine on your own. I haven't done a 3-day on my own. I would probably like that too, so a 3 or a 4 day. 3 days just doesn't seem like it's long enough to do all the trouble that it takes to get to the ship, so that's why I like to do a 4 day. Anyway, here we go. We got our new little camera. It comes with a microphone. It comes with a clip. Now, these are all extra things that I had to pay for with the DJI, so this came with it in the camera. With the camera, I had to pay for the box of clips and a microphone with the DJI one, so this is pretty cool so far. Here's the charging cable, or the USB cable, and the clip. It comes with a little card too, a memory card. That's nice. You gotta get your own with DJI. It doesn't come with a card. It comes with that charging cable cord thing. And then here's the actual camera. Yay, it comes in the waterproof case. That's really cool. Here she is. Right on. Now the only thing I don't know about is that it looked like in the videos that I'd seen on YouTube, you just clip it and then it opens up. And it comes right on out. Is that the head doesn't move around like the DJI one does, the DJI Pocket. That's what I'd seen on there. So let's check her out. See if we have any charge. Looks like it's gonna need a full charge, so we'll go ahead and get it charged up, and then we'll do another video of the first use of the Minolta Pocket camera. Anyway, that's all for now. Like I said, I'll post a new video to show how it works in just a little bit. Anyway, that's all for now. Take care. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. We're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. We're getting to almost 500 because now you can be monetized with 500. So that's our goal right now, to get to 500. So please subscribe, and thank you very much for watching. Take care. Bye.